Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can swipe up or down on the screen to open the list of glances. Scroll through the list of glances and look for the calories glance. By default, it won't be here unless you added it, but we can add it to this list. To do it, scroll down, find the edit button and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the calories, tap on it. Once you add the calories, it will appear on the list, and then you can scroll through the list, find it, and here we have the amount of the calories burned. You can also tap on it to check the more detailed information. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this on the phone. So I'm gonna bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. On the health page, or rather my day page, we can scroll down and here we have the calories category, and we can tap on it and see the detail. And we have resting calories, total, and active calories. You can check specific days. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you check the amounts of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.